Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another recipe from the Miniverse, Make It Mini Food, All You Can Eat. There's 5 recipes, we've done the first 3, so the next one is the rainbow pancakes. So let's get everything out. We need the pancakes, of course, a plate. Also is 1 thing of whipped cream on top, and they used white chocolate and the unicorn sprinkles. Oh, and the resin. Okay, so let's clear this and open our Sunny's griddle. There's pink and yellow and orange in here. They're super cute. And that's what they look like. I always try to do it how they have it on there. So that is how they have it layered. I'm gonna put a nozzle on here so it's easier to pour. So I am not going to put like resin in between each one because it has to have light in order to cure. So I'm just going to kind of drizzle it through here. They have a fork on their plate, but I don't think I'm going to add that. But I think that's probably enough. Then I'm going to put a whipped cream dollop on top. It came with 3 of them. Where's my tweezers? There it is. Put that right there. Okay, squish it down. Okay, I dumped out some of the chocolate chips because sometimes they come flying out of that container and then it's too much. These are so cute though. And then, same thing with this, I probably shouldn't do that. They might get too cluttered. I love these sprinkles. They're pink and purple and teal. Very rainbow unicorn vibes going on. I feel like it needs maybe just a little bit more. Some sprinkles down here. That's pretty cute. I'm gonna go put it outside so that it can cure. All right, here's what it looks like after it's cured. I think it's very cute. And I have one more recipe to make, so if you want to see me make it, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned.